The Honda Amaze launched in India in 2013, but the competition in the sub-4 meter compact sedan segment has quite extensively increased from then. So Honda decided not to do any minor changes but to do a complete model change. Up front, you get a long chrome bar which is similar to the one in Honda City. This bar leads to these headlamps and you get LED DRLs too. The fog lamps are not enclosed in chrome. You get 15-inch alloy wheels. The rear is mainly dominated by these C-shaped tail lights. You also get a shark fin antenna. Move to the inside and the interior of Amaze will wow you. You get a black and beige interior and these piano touch inserts on the dash and even on the door makes it look more premium. You get an all new steering and it too has some piano inserts on it, but the quality of these mounted audio controls in it is not that great, but the rest of the dash, the quality is top notch. You get some storage beneath the handbrake to store your belongings. You get a 5-speed manual transmission. Here you get 2 cup holders and behind that again you get some more storage. This is a 12-volt socket and you also get 2 USB ports. You get automatic climate control and these knobs and these buttons qualities are very great. You get a 7-inch infotainment system which the Honda calls the DigiPad, which supports Bluetooth, navigation, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So we've connected Android Auto to this car and it also comes with a Google Assistant.
Show me the nearest Honda showroom.
You get an attractive looking gauge cluster with wide dials. Unfortunately, you do not get a light here. You also do not get auto dimming mirrors. The door bins of the all new Amaze can swallow full 1 liter bottle. There is a push start stop button. You also get some chrome finish around the gear. The glove box has ample of storage in it. The wheelbase of the all-new Amaze has increased by 65mm, which means it would get more space in the rear. Rear seats are wide and straight and are very comfortable. You get a center armrest with 2 cup holders. The only thing to complain about the Amaze rear seats is that the headrests are fixed to the seats. You do get a 12-volt socket and above that you get some storage. The all-new Amaze has a massive boot of 420 litre which is bigger than any other of its rival. It has a 1.2 litre engine which creates maximum power of 89 bhp at 6000 rpm and creates a maximum torque of 110 Nm at 4800 rpm. In case of safety, you get 2 airbags, ABS and EBD. Because of all these reasons, the Honda Amaze costs 9 lakhs.